I need to be brutally honest about something happening to men across the country right now. There's an epidemic of masculine decline that has nothing to do with aging, and everything to do with modern life systematically attacking your most vital organs without you realizing it. If you're over 50 and you've noticed changes, maybe you're not waking up ready like you used to, you're up multiple times each night, or you just don't feel like the vibrant man you once were. What I'm about to share might be uncomfortable, but it could save your masculinity. Working with thousands of men, I've identified 7 seemingly innocent daily habits that are quietly destroying both prostate health and sexual function. These aren't the obvious culprits. These are hidden destroyers masquerading as normal, even healthy behaviors. Today, I'm counting down these 7 habits from concerning to absolutely catastrophic. By number 1, you'll understand why some men feel like strangers in their own bodies and how to reclaim what you thought was lost forever.
7. Sleeping face down. If you're a stomach sleeper, you've been compressing your genitals for 6 to 8 hours every night. When you sleep face down, your pelvis pushes into the mattress, putting sustained pressure on your penis and testicles. That's potentially 2,500 plus hours per year of compression on the organs responsible for your sexual function. The restricted blood flow prevents proper oxygenation of erectile tissue during the crucial hours when your body should be doing cellular repair. Many men have slept this way since childhood and never connected it to their declining performance. It's such a simple change, yet most never consider that how they sleep affects how they perform. 6. Holding your urine for hours. You're in meetings, driving, or focused on work, telling yourself just 5 more minutes, while your bladder screams for relief. Here's what's happening. Your overfilled bladder puts pressure on your prostate gland, which sits right underneath it. This chronic pressure leads to inflammation and prostate swelling. Over time, this inflamed prostate presses against your urethra, making urination difficult and frequent. You're creating a urinary traffic jam that gets worse every time you ignore your body's signals. Men do this thinking they're being productive, not realizing they're damaging the gland essential for both urinary function and sexual health. 5. Taking antihistamines regularly. Your allergy medications are destroying your erections. If you regularly take Claritin, Benadryl, or Zyrtec, you're blocking one of the most important pathways for erectile function. Antihistamines don't just block receptors in your nose. They interfere with nitric oxide production, which is essential for erections. Nitric oxide allows blood vessels in your penis to relax and fill with blood. These trusted medications are quietly sabotaging your sexual function while you think you're just treating allergies. The more consistently you use them, the more you're suppressing this critical pathway that makes erections possible. 4. Consuming dairy products. Daily. That daily milk, cheese, or yogurt is fueling prostate inflammation. Dairy contains high levels of IGF-1, which directly stimulates prostate cell growth. An enlarged prostate creates those frustrating nighttime bathroom trips and urination difficulties. The hormones in dairy, combined with inflammatory proteins like casein, create a perfect storm for prostate irritation. Countries with highest dairy consumption show the highest rates of prostate problems. What's challenging is how deeply ingrained dairy is in our culture. We've been told it's essential. Meanwhile, it's been quietly contributing to prostate inflammation for decades. Men who eliminate dairy often report dramatic improvements in urinary flow within weeks.
Now, before the top 3 most devastating habits, I need to share something that could change your approach to masculine health. While these habits are undermining your prostate and sexual function, I've been working with men who've discovered a simple 30-second morning technique that can reverse much of this damage. This technique is based on ancient practices that modern urology has validated. It activates specific pressure points that increase blood flow to your prostate and erectile tissues while naturally stimulating testosterone production. Men using this report stronger morning erections, improved urinary flow, and renewed confidence, often within the first week. I've put together a complete guide on this 30-second morning technique in the description below. But first, the 3 most catastrophic habits probably impacting you right now.
3. Eating soy-based products regularly. Soy consumption is one of the most insidious threats to masculine hormones. Whether it's protein powder, soy sauce, or processed foods with soy lecithin, these contain phytoestrogens that literally mimic female hormones in your body. When you consume soy regularly, these phytoestrogens bind to the same receptors your testosterone would occupy. Your body responds as if you're taking estrogen supplements, gradually shifting your hormonal balance toward a feminine profile. This directly impacts your ability to achieve strong erections. Your body reduces testosterone production because it senses estrogen-like activity. You lose muscle mass, gain belly fat, and experience decreased sexual drive while thinking you're making healthy protein choices. Soy is hidden everywhere. Protein bars, processed meats, salad dressings, packaged foods. Many men are unknowingly feminizing their hormone profile one meal at a time. 2. Using your laptop on your lap. Every time you place that laptop on your lap, you're exposing your testicles and prostate to temperatures reaching 110 to 115 degrees, far beyond what these organs can handle. Your testicles need to stay 4 degrees cooler than core body temperature to produce healthy sperm and testosterone. Laptop heat is literally slow cooking the cells responsible for your masculine hormone production. The electromagnetic radiation adds another destruction layer. Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and electrical components create fields that penetrate your pelvic region, potentially damaging delicate cellular structures in your prostate and reproductive organs. Men working from home or gaming with laptops on their laps are unknowingly sacrificing masculine vitality for convenience. 1. Carrying your phone in your front pocket. The single most devastating habit attacking masculine health of an entire generation. If you carry your smartphone in your front pocket, you're subjecting your testicles and prostate to electromagnetic radiation 12 to 16 hours daily, creating cellular damage that destroys hormone production and sexual function. This deserves number 1 because of its perfect combination of universality and destruction. Nearly every man carries his phone in his front pocket, meaning nearly every man is unknowingly irradiating his reproductive organs all day. Electromagnetic fields penetrate 6 inches into your body, reaching both testicles and prostate. Research shows men carrying phones in front pockets just 4 hours daily experience significant decreases in sperm count, testosterone levels, and erectile function. The radiation damages DNA in sperm cells while disrupting hormone-producing cells in testicles. The damage is cumulative and often irreversible. Every call, notification, and active moment sends electromagnetic pulses directly into your vital organs. Your body can't adapt. It can only accumulate damage over time. We carry these devices to stay connected, never realizing they're disconnecting us from our masculine vitality. The phone meant to enhance your life is stealing your ability to perform as a man.
Now you understand the 7 habits systematically dismantling masculine health. If you're doing them, they're affecting you. The question is how much damage has been done and how quickly you can stop the destruction and begin recovery. Your body can heal and restore itself, but only when you stop actively damaging it. Every day you continue these patterns accumulates more harm to organs that become harder to repair over time. The solution requires commitment. Sleep on your side or back. These changes will restore more than prostate health and sexual function. They'll return the energy, confidence, and vitality that makes you feel truly alive. Your partner will notice the difference. You'll recognize yourself in the mirror again. Remember that 30-second morning technique. It accelerates healing while you make these habit changes. It reactivates your body's natural repair mechanisms and optimizes blood flow where you need it most. Access the complete technique in the description below. Your masculine vitality doesn't have to decline with age. It's being stolen by modern life, but you can seal it back with the right knowledge and action. Which habit resonated most with you? Your awareness is the first step toward reclaiming your health. Subscribe for more content exposing hidden threats to men's health with practical solutions that work. Your future self will thank you for taking action today.